Hi, hello, welcome to AngularJS tutorial. This is Raja, and last sessions I covered about introduction part of AngularJS. Today I'm going to cover about environmental setup of AngularJS. Like if you want to start code on AngularJS, before that we need to get the necessary scripting file from AngularJS, which will help us in future coding. So before getting to that environmental setup, we need some prerequisite in order to develop the AngularJS project. Like it's just like editor's latest browser and IDEs. Editor you can use Notepad++ or Notepad or else Editor Plus in order to develop the simple HTML page with AngularJS script. As well as if you are going with some IDEs like Visual Studio or Eclipse, it will give some code intelligence in order to develop Angular more faster. As well as you need the latest browser in order to run the AngularJS project. Why? Because I'm telling latest browser, all the versions of browser will not support AngularJS. It will support only the latest versions of browser only. Like you need updated Google Chrome, or you can use the updated Firefox, or else whatever you want, like Internet Explorer also you can use, but it should be in updated version. So next is we'll go with getting started for a environmental setup. First of all, you need to go with the angularjs.org website. So once you get into the website, here you can able to see two different versions of AngularJS. One is AngularJS 1 and next one is AngularJS 2. Today I am going with the AngularJS 1. In later on videos we'll cover AngularJS 2. So as soon as you click download AngularJS 1, you will get the message like this. Here you have a different kind of an options which you can select the versions, and however you want you can select, and you can download the AngularJS necessary scripts. So first of all, you will see the branch. Here you have two different branches. One is 1.2 and 1.5. so 1.5 is the latest one. If you are going to develop a new one, like a new project, you can go with the 1.5. that is my suggestion. Suppose if you are using an older project like an existing project, you can go with the 1.2 only. Why? Because in some content you developed on 1.2, so if you are going with 1.5 newly, there is some mismatch. So I suggest you to go with the existing project 1.2. If it is a new, then go with the 1.5. So after that, here you can able to see the build versions. Here we have three different build. One is minified and uncompressed and zip. If it is a production level, you can go with the minified versions. Why? Because I'm telling for a production minified. So in minified versions, you will not able to understand the code easily, and you cannot able to understand the functionality. But if it is an uncompressed versions, you can able to understand the code level, how it is going, how the communication is happening, everything you can able to easily understand. So my suggestion for a productions, you can go with a minified. If it is a development, you can go with the uncompressed versions in order to understand the Angular.js script easily, and you can develop. So after that, if you want to add some more additional thing for your project, you just click here. I have already opened this one. Here you can able to see the number of script in Angular basis. You can download the script and you can install the in your system, and you can start work on AngularJS. So I have already downloaded my script in my local, so I can easily work on that. So after that, like this, once you have downloaded the AngularJS script, you can use the code like this. Like here I have mentioned a script like AngularJS.js type text JavaScript. So you can easily mention like this, and you may use the CDN also. But in CDN you may having some problem, like for all the time your website has to depend on this script only. But if it is a local one, you don't want the internet also to be needed for 24/7, you can use whenever you want. So my suggestion for development, you can use the uncompressed version only. Don't go with the CDN. If you're going with that one, means it will take some delay of loading the script. So today we covered about basic environmental setup, what all the necessary things we needed. Like I said, the AngularJS script, and the table min.js script, and so many scripts are there. And I covered about how to use the script in HTML. So thank you.